Hi everyone. Today we are going to create a project calculator and we will create this calculator using ChatGPT 4 that is being provided by Bing. So let's get started with our command prompt. And one more thing, this project can be useful for college student as well. So let's write our query. So I'll type my query over here. Create a calculator using Python language and also use GUI, that is graphical user interface. Let's hit enter and wait for the response. Uh, in the meantime, I will open command prompt or terminal for Mac. Here I'll type Jupyter Notebook. I will create a new Python shell and I will type project calculator. Let's rename it. Cannot rename. Okay. Let's say project calculator 2. Don't know what happened here. Let's come back here. So it's providing some code. Once this code is done from ChatGPT, we will copy this code. Here you can see the code is completed and it is taking resources. It is using resources like GFG, PyShark, Study Tonight, and 10 plus more. Let's scroll it up and we will copy this code. You can see this option copy, or here you can copy simply. Let's go back to Safari and here we'll paste our code. Let me remove this as well. So this is the code and here you can see it's importing the module tkinter and it's creating function press equal press clear, and there are some lambda function press 1, and here you can see this is addition multiplication, oh, sorry, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equal sign. Let's try to run this piece of code. So here you can see our calculator is created by ChatGPT 4. You can change the color and width and height. For now, let's try to compute 5 multiplied by 9 equal to 45. It's correct. Let's press clear. So it is working fine. I will provide this piece of code in the description, or you can just use ChatGPT 4 with Bing. Thanks for watching.